to understand the disparity between a college education and working in any sort of large scale, if not, it doesn't even have to be large scale, any sort of real world environment. So there, in school, you're given your assignments at the end of the day, and that's that. You get a grade on it, and that's kind of it. But in the real world, you write a couple lines of code, and you're responsible for it. You own that piece of code. If something breaks, your neck is on the line for that. So understanding the impact and the gravity of the things that you're creating, doesn't matter really where you are. People will use your product. That's something that you have to understand. And I wish I knew that going in sooner. It would have changed my viewpoint on a few things. The next thing is asking questions. So I mentioned about getting neck deep in certain things. The only way that you're going to really understand and kind of dig your way out of that is by asking very pointed questions to people who have worked on these things prior. It's very important that you gather understanding of what you're doing. So half that is learning about how to ask those questions and understanding where they fit in, so to speak. Yeah, I think those are the two biggest ones. And then the last one I'll mention real quick is learning to fail fast. So learning to recognize that you're either in too deep or you went down the wrong path, and then very quickly pulling yourself out of that and learning from it. You have to learn from the mistakes you've made and own up to them as well. And you starting your career, it's inevitable. You will make mistakes here and there. Just own them, make them right. I think those three things are the biggest.
Make sure to check out the My Career tab on the BC Navigator app, where you can track your career progress based on the amount of credits you've earned, stay updated on upcoming events from the Magner Center, and watch our videos for insight and advice on your career field.